Various name of Makar Sankranti in India. In Gujarat, Uttarayan. Himachal Pradesh, Magha Saji. Assam, Bhogli Bihu. Punjab, Lori. Tamil Nadu, Thai Pongal. Karnataka, Swigi Habba. Maharashtra, Meghi Sankrant. Haryana, Maghi Sankrant. Odisha, Makar Sankranti. West Bengal, Posu Sankranti. UP, Khichdi Par. Bihar, Khichdi Par. Festival of India. Wishing a joyful Makar Sankranti filled with the love and light and happiness. Please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.